Okay, welcome to this room tour. This is the second floor here at Aurico Resorts. Inside here you have the safe. Just close the door further. Okay. If you open both doors, the light comes on. So you have your hangers, about five hangers there. 2 umbrellas, flip-flops, my shoes, safe deposit box, laundry bag, extra duvet in case you think it gets too cold. Okay, so you have that going on there. 2 umbrellas will come in handy in this weather. Light goes off as soon as you close the door. Okay, we have the bath. And of course you have the sink. Spin it around into this cubicle here. Have the WC shower, with rainforest, yeah, or waterfall, towels. Nice looking door to close off the shower room, toilet room if you like. Just close that so you can see. Yeah. This side place for your luggage. 2 bottles of water, kettle, cups, coffee. What's this? 32-inch TV, I guess. That's nice desk space. Don't know why the dryer is here. I guess. Oh yeah, the dryer's on the makeup stand because you have a kind of stool here. So if you're doing your makeup or blowing your hair, you probably have to do it there. This is the bed. Big size. And with the bathroom, it's a see-through, so you can see through all the way. However, it does have a blind. And in fairness, this blind, you could pull it from from the bedroom. So you close it from the bedroom. I've been to another hotel where you close it from inside, and the problem with that is when you're having a shower, the blind gets wet. Instead of using plastic clips at the end of it, it's metal, so you can see that it was getting rusty. Sockets, not completely universal, but at least that would do. No USB port on this side. Cutting across the bed. And yes, side table, sockets, again no USB. Downlight, quite like this couch or rest area. So just to give you a full view from here. I'll put on all the lights. I'll put on most of the lights. But this is what it looks like at 1:30 on a rainy day. You have your blind and you have your curtain. Bear with me while I try to figure out this door. Because of flies, I recommend that you make sure that you pull the blinds when you step out. Very decent size veranda, balcony. And even though we don't have a full view of the pool, you could see the part of the swimming pool from here. Okay, and the rest of the swimming pool, the main part, is over there. Cute looking hotel. We're only here for 2 nights, 3 nights, so this will suffice. Kata Beach is 10 minutes ride from here, and the hotel provides a shuttle, free shuttle service. The view behind this wall is not great. I think there's some construction going on, so the hotel seems to have erected some barriers to prevent you from seeing what's going on. But for the sake of this video, I'll show you. It might get noisy at some stage. Nice looking building further down, but there's some development going on around this side. Okay, I'll show you breakfast later on. The main reception is right in front through those trees and through the pool. That's where the breakfast area is. It's been raining, so it's not particularly bright, but it's still warm, 28 degrees. Okay, air conditioning is working. Place is nice, and that's it for now. I don't think there's much more that I can show you.